So, eto po yung mga gagamitin natin for decorations.
Yung mga
Decor dito. Hi guys! So for today, we're going to decorate our house for the Christmas. So I'm going to change my clothes kasi kakagaling lang namin sa church, and then we will decorate right after, and I'll show you how and what are the decorations.
Pagkatapos kong nagbihes, lumabas ako at nakita ko na autumn na, ang daming nahuhulog na leaves at ang cute ng kulay. Pag sa video sa mga movies, parang ang ganda, pero sa totoo ang kalat. Well, have to sweep para baka nag-decorate ako mamaya, hindi siya makalat sa aming harapan. So, let's do this and let's decorate.
So, eto po yung mga gagamitin natin for decorations. Most of them binili sa Dollar Tree. So, one piece is $1.25. So, mura lang siya. Magaganda. Pero tong Christmas tree na to, this is what we've used last year and some of the Christmas tree decors. So, yun yung gagamitin natin inside and out. Christmas lights, Santa sacks, din yung mga lights na to, and for the tables. So, yun lahat ang gagamitin natin. Kung kukulangin, probably I'm gonna buy something for the stairs sa Dollar Tree din. So, check it out.
So, I decided na ilagay siya dito sa harap ng fireplace. So, we have to remove all of the speakers and put them to the stairs, under the stairs, para malagay namin yung Christmas tree, and started cleaning it first. At first, I was thinking na ilagay siya downstairs. Kaya lang, yung fireplace kasi I don't wanna cover it. Kaya lang sabi ng husband ko, hindi rin namin siya gagamitin in the meantime. So, yung space na lang doon ilalagay yung Christmas tree. Napasayaw po ang bata. Yung assistant ko, hindi ko alam kung naglalaro o tumutulong. Yung stand ng Christmas tree, ginawa yung baril. Ganun, bang, bang. Bang, bang. I love decorating the house, especially here. You could afford the decorations. Unlike in the Philippines, it's quite expensive. But here, whatever it is, you could actually afford it. The only problem is if you have time to decorate. At first, I was thinking wag na lang ako mag-decorate because I don't have a lot of time. But then, na-realize ko na parang ang lungkot na nga ng Pasko dito. Tapos pag uwi mo, ang lungkot pa dahil walang decorations. Then, I decided that I'm going to decorate the house. We're just new here at the house. I don't know how to use the fireplace. And of course, dahil wala namang fireplace sa atin sa Pilipinas, hindi ko alam paano gamitin to. So, in the meantime, ganyan na muna siya. Kapag nalaman ko na paano next year, I might be able to use it. Dito, yung mga tao nagsa-start pa lang mag-decorate ng December 1st, right after the Thanksgiving. This Christmas tree is my Christmas tree last year. Most of the people here, they're using the real pine tree. Kasi pag nilagay mo siya sa bahay mo, mabango siya. Iba yung aura. Kaya lang, the problem is it takes a lot of work. You have to water it every day. Tapos yung mga nahuhulog niyang dahon, you have to sweep it every day. So I can't do that. And it's quite expensive because you're buying the Christmas pine tree, but you have to throw it later on. Unlike with this one, you could use it like 5 years in a row. I purchased this Christmas tree last year. Probably the price rate is $50. And then I purchased the ornaments over at the Dollar Tree. So ngayon nagdagdag na lang ako ng some of the ornaments para medyo mas dumami yung itsura. Last year golden red lang siya. This year dinagdagan ko siya ng silver. na mga balls. So now it's red, silver, and gold. And then a lot of snowflakes that are silver that I purchased. I remember when I was young, kukuha kami ng parang sanga-sanga siya dun sa parang field. Tapos lalagyan lang siya ng white crepe paper ng nanay ko and lalagyan ng mga simple ornaments. Yun na yung Christmas tree. Kasi sa atin, it's quite expensive to purchase a Christmas tree. And naka-afford lang kami ng Christmas tree talaga when my father went to Japan. And then dun talaga nagkaroon na kami. But it's still expensive. So with the doors, ito yung mga nilalagay ko. Meron silang mga bells na tutunog pag binuksan mo. I think it's better na nauuna tong red. One of the doors I will put this on the other door. Dun sa door namin. So ayan. Let's put them there. Ayan. So $1.25 lang din po. Ayan. Ang door namin kung saan papunta sa garahe. Ayan. So maglalagay ako dito. Ayan. It's the same. Ayan. So if somebody would come in or what, it would make a sound. Ayan. So right after kong nag-decorate sa loob, ay nag-start na ako mag-decorate sa labas. And then binuksan ko yung mga Christmas lights na bili ko sa Dollar Tree. And then I didn't expect na maikli lang pala sila. Hello, $1.25 lang kami. Anong expect mo? Sabi siguro ng Christmas light sa akin. So, nung pinagdidikit-dikit ko sila, nag-iisip ko, saan ko ba ilalagay? So, tinabi ko muna, pinagdikit-dikit sila, and then I decided na tawagin yung asawa ko para ipilagay yung Christmas lights na mas mahahaba. And we decided na ilagay siya dito sa pa-arc na shape ng front namin. So at first, akala namin sobrang haba nila. So we were thinking like it would be enough to put it also on the tree. Kaya lang it ended up na hindi naman pala. So we decided dito na lang talaga siya sa full arc at saka dun sa may window part. And then we had the trouble in putting it on the wall kasi ang tigas ng wall. So nagpapako siya pero hindi napapako, lumilipad lang. So we decided na nalagay itong dito sa arc and then later on some other days ilalagay na lang niya using yung barena para ilagay yung ibang parts dun sa may window part. First, akala ko ang dali lang, matatapos ko siya ng just an hour or 2 hours, but took me the whole day of preparing and putting all of the decorations in the house. Pero at least natapos ko siya just for 1 day. Christmas lights that I'm using right now, we purchased them last year, but we were not able to put it in front of the apartment since maikli lang yung saksakan niya. So wala naman extension kasi maiipit siya sa door. So I decided just put it on our living room. But this time I could actually put them really outside kasi meron namang saksakan right in front of the house. So mas madali lang ilagay and especially tapat na tapat siya dun sa window part. Found this on our garden, so I decided na gamitin siya kasi yung mga nabili ko pala sa dollar store is sobrang ikli. So the problem is sobrang ikli niya. hindi mo siya masasaksak anywhere. So, dapat something like malapit lang. So, I decided na try ko to. If it works, ilalagay ko siya near dun sa socket. Kasi dito sa bahay namin na nabili is may saksakan siya sa labas. So, I could actually use that one. So, let's see if it works. Hopefully it does. Para kahit pa paano magamit ko. Sayang kasi sila. And then, tinulungan ako ng husband ko with this part. Kaso parang kailangan namin ng barena. So, in the meantime, nilagay lang namin siya ng dito. Pero baka some other time, first tomorrow, kung makabili siya ng barena, aayusin niya talaga. So, let's see this part. So, let's see if how does it look like. Pag sinaksak natin siya dito. Okay naman siya. So, probably yan. I was thinking like to probably like use an extension. If I could actually do it. Titignan ko if I could. Pero kung hindi, okay naman siya dito. Parang something like this naman siya dito sa halaman. So, sayang kasi sila. Titignan ko tong isa pa. Kasi pwede ko siyang kasaksak to that one to connect. And then I could actually do something like decor sa floor or something like that. Let's see how it works later. Well, I could actually put it on the ganun na lang, ilalagay natin siya sa haba. Okay naman pala siya if I would like put it for well, anyways, ang importante lang naman yung ilaw. So, okay lang doon. So, let's see if it works later on. So, I decided na ilagay siya sa mga sa halaman natin. So, let's see how it works. Ouch, natusok ako. So, trinay ko kung malalagay ko dito sa halaman na to. Then, napansin ko it works. Kaya lang medyo mahirap because there are thorns from this plant. So, habang nilalagay ko, natutusok ako. Nang nilalagay ko na to, medyo nagmamadali na ako kasi mabilis dumilim. So, somewhere 5 o'clock na to or 4:45, parang ganon. So, I was rushing kasi ayokong maabutan ng dilim. Kasi mahirap kapag naglalagay ng dito kasi may mga thorns nga siya. So, I was hoping na agad kong matapos before man lang magdilim. Right after kong na-check na okay naman siya, pinatay ko na and then I rushed to bring out all of
mga
this
to,
stuff.
hindi sila disaksak. These are the battery sila. So, pag gabi, ito-turn on ko lang sila ng ganito. Isa-switch on ko, and yun sila. So, mamayang gabi, titignan natin how does it looks like. Tapos, yan, ganyan sila. Nilagay ko sa mga halaman. Tapos, ito in the meantime, dito na lang muna namin siya nilagay. And, ito na nga yung result. Right after 30 minutes na na-complete kong mailagay, dumilim na at sinindi na namin here. Yan ang ating finished product. Ayan mga Christmas lights natin. Meron pong extra. Ayan. Maganda daw mag-shot dito. Ayan. Maganda naman. Masanting naman Ayan. So, ito mga de-batteries yan. Ayan. Merry Christmas po. Ayan ang Christmas decors natin.
Baka na yung mga lagay, nagkailan eh.
Siyempre magaling ko. Ayan po. Ang aming finished products. Okay, so ayan ang kinalabasan ng ating pagde-decorate for today. Aayusin pa tong part na to. Okay, and then let's enter. Ayan, it's a welcoming note. Dito sa door. Sinelas tayo. So dito sa door is naglagay nga ako nito. Tapos doon yung Christmas light. Yun. Yung Christmas tree. Yan yung Christmas tree natin. And then dito, hindi ko pa nilagay yung table runner, baka madumihan. So, ganyan na muna. Ito yung sa stairs. Yung Santa hat and Santa socks. Ayan. Tapos, naglagay din ako dito sa back door. It's the same. Yung tumo. So, ayan. Even this one, I actually put a Christmas towel, hand towel. So, when you're washing your hands, you could dry it here. So, it's also a Christmas thingy. The rag is red. Ayan. So, here's the kitchen. Naglagay din ako ng kitchen, parang towels din. Ayan. Para may pa-Christmas din dito. Here's the restroom. Red din yung sa floor. So, I put this one too. This is their restroom, my kids' restroom. Here's another restroom. Ayan, yun yung Christmas decor dito. Yes, that's how it looks like. So, yung mga lights and all is already complete. That's how it looks like.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!